Okay, well, first of all, what I need to do is draw in my horizon line. So I'm using the picture to help me, and I'm going to just put my ruler across so I know roughly where I've got to draw my line. I'm going to do it quite lightly because I'm going to probably want to rub that out once I've got my picture drawn. Then I'm going to put in my vanishing point. It's just off centre, so my vanishing point is going to be about there. Now, I'm going to come down to the front of the picture and decide where I'm going to start my edges of my drive. So that's roughly about there. So this is where I start putting in my converging lines. So I draw from there, using my ruler, a straight line up to my vanishing point. And again, from the other side, I'm going to go from my vanishing point and I'm going to take that roughly so it's in line like that. So I've now got my converging lines, I've got my vanishing point, and I've got my horizon. So I can start putting some detail in now. I'm going to start with this post on the right hand side. So again, I'm going to use my ruler just to give me an idea. So I'm going to do the side of the post there. And then my top of the post, you can see here, this is at an angle. So to know what that angle is, I'm going to draw another line to my vanishing point. So I now know that the edge of that pillar is going to be in line with that. I'm going down on the road there. I'm then going to put a little bit of detail into that pillar. So on the other side, you can see here we've got the gate, and we've got the posts down. So how big is my gate going to be? Well, let's start with a bit of a post there, just like I did on the other side. So where's my top of my post going to go? I'm going to join from my vanishing point up to there, so I know what angle to make my post. Then the gate's a bit lower, so I'm going to put my gate in there. And again, from the top of my gate, I'm going to draw my line. Again, I'm pressing a little bit harder than maybe I would do if I wasn't being filmed, because I want you to be able to see the line I'm putting in. I can then put in the detail of my gate. All of these are straight lines, so I'm using my ruler to help me. And once I've finished, I can add some tone into it as well. Come down like that and there. So I'm starting with my gate. Now we can see these posts coming along here. I'm just going to draw those in like that. They're getting smaller as we're going further away. Now I think I need to put the school building in. So this is where I'm going to come up here. So that's at the centre of my vanishing point. And then I'm going to go off to both sides. And you can see I've angled that down slightly because the building line does not look straight from here. I want to put this hedge in. So the hedge starts almost at the top of the post. So that's the bottom of the hedge there. And then it's coming up another little bit. So again, can you see that I'm drawing all of these lines back to my vanishing point? So now this is going to be the level of my hedge. And I think I'm going to finish my hedge about there. As I go on, I can add some more detail. Can you see those lines on the driveway? So they are going to be, I've got my vanishing point there. So again, I'm just going to put them in lightly. Like that. So that's the start of my picture. I've got the outline there of my school at the back. I've got my road coming up. So now all I need to do is add some more detail in. Have fun!